All right, Alex. So we're sitting here and we kind of determined that we wanted to lower our ball flight a little bit. And I mean, you've got a really good move on the golf ball. Things are going well. I mean, a lot of stuff is happening correct. And we don't want to touch any of that. We want to leave the things that you're doing right alone. But I want to get you the concept of really kind of understanding what that club face is doing. And, you know, it's got to come in and it's got to stay kind of square to the target line. And I think what happens is when we kind of hit that track draw, we kind of lose control of that club face, and we try and, you know, time it and get real timing with, you know, hands and arms. And I want you to be able to square that up with your entire body. So I've got a kind of a cool drill here, and I really kind of excited to share it with you. This is what I learned this from one of the really good teaching professionals in Kentucky, a guy named by the name of Grover Gus. It's called the laser beam drill. It's pretty cool. Once I found out how to use it and really, you know, practice with it, it made a world of difference in my golf. I'd love to share it with you. Awesome. So if we could look, I mean, we're gonna keep our target right here. This first flag with that right there. And I'm gonna go ahead. We're gonna go ahead and set one. You're gonna need 3 alignment rods. Make sure I make that clear. You're gonna need 3. It's very simple. That's all you need. You don't even need to hit golf balls while doing this drill. This is more really kind of, well, not real results oriented, but we just want to really get the sensation of how the club moves correctly. Yeah. So line this up, just kind of space it. See, because this is going to be my target line. So let me make sure that I've got this right down. And that looks pretty good. That looks like it's right on line. There. Looking pretty solid. Maybe just a hair left. Let's see. That's the whole important thing, is to make sure that this is really squared up with your target, because you want to be able to have a sensation of where you're aiming. Because, like, you know, before we fire, we kind of want to know where that cannon is going to go. So, all right, so now it's perfect, right? If you want to stand right here, let me see your club for a second. All right, the cool thing is, so for my third alignment rod, I'm going to go ahead and grip it just as simple as that. I'll take my normal grip. All right, I'm going to imagine that I'm going to forget this club face for a minute. This is my rod, okay? I'm gonna go ahead and assume my golfing position. You know, make sure that club face is lined up nice and square down the line. I'm gonna look there, set in, okay? Now the neat thing about this is that this end, if this is one end of my stroke and this is the other, the cool thing and the sensation I want you to get is that at all times throughout the swing, okay? On my takeaway, I've got this end pointing my target line, okay? And then I'm taking it back, taking it back, taking it back. And you see, right when this transition happens, there's an immediate takeover. This end flips and it stays right on it. That's pretty cool. Okay, and so that's going to go to the top. Now, in transition, I'm going to want to try and feel the same thing. And that line is going to trace right back down, right back down, right back down, right back down. And then at the last final second, that club is going to come right back on the line and square the club face up. And we're going to be able to rotate right through with a lot of power. Okay, so why don't you give that a feel and see how that, we'll get that going. You kind of understand the concept I'm trying to get here?
Yeah, absolutely.
Cool.
Cool drill.
Yeah, it's worth it. It's been real helpful for me. And I mean, you're probably really not going to want to hit golf balls with this. You're really just going to want to feel that trace the line back. There you go. Look at that. You know what I'm saying? Nice and slow. It's perfect. Very good.
It's a different feel.
It is, isn't it? But do you feel how that club traces back nicely and collects right in front of you?
Oh yeah.